And the drain pipe, one of the slides. Racers, a two-person slides. I think this is called Waterworks, sort of the kids area. And there's another slide here, which is a double, as you can see. So I walked to the other side, Carnival Waterworks, what this is called. I think this is for kids though. We are on deck 12. That glass area right there is the top of the lobby, the atrium. When you're down there and you look up, that's what you're seeing. The slides we said open at 8. Let's go up this. But you go up these stairs and you get on those two slides. They call it the Twister Drainpipe. Oh, Twister and Drainpipe. Well, I see. That's what it is. One slide is one and one slide is the other. I'm doing great. The drain pipe is short and you go around in circles. The Twister is a little scary because you don't know when you're going to hit the water and it gets dark right at the end. So I'm going to go drain pipe. Anyway, this is Jeffrey. Yeah. Hey Jeff, this is Jeffrey. I liked it. Ready. I'm ready. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Ha. Whoa. Thank you. Let me just do this. So that was the Twister on the Carnival Dream. And that guy's in charge. He's doing a great job. I guess I can go either way. So there they are. Two big slides. You got these racing ones, but they just go that far. Sort of like a bigger version of that. Janet! So down where the umbrellas are is deck 10, and then deck 11, and then deck 12, and 13, oh no, 13. So I think I'm on deck 14. Might be on 15 though. 14. Drain pipe Twister. They're a lot of fun. Anyway, that's the drain pipe.